So today I'll be finishing the remaining of the parts, the intake manifold, the fuel injectors, a few other things I gotta bolt on, and getting it ready to put it back in the car. This is what we have for today. These are Injector Dynamics 1050cc, since I'll be running E85. This is the RADIUM SR20 steel rail. And then we have their bolt-on fuel pressure regulator. That's gonna bolt on this side, I think. No, they're gonna bolt on back here, like so. Alright, so the first step is going to be put these little adapters in there. And definitely don't drop it. There we go. I am putting a hair of oil. Yes, engine oil. If you read the instructions from RADIUM, it says use engine oil. I usually put some grease on these rubber seals, but RADIUM says you use oil, so I'm using oil. Alright. Do the same thing for your injector. Put a hair of oil on there. And these ID injectors, they're universal, so they come with this little adapter on there. You're going to pull this clip off and separate this, because for the SR20 you need them to be this type without this adapter. So next thing I'm going to do is put this plug in here, because I'm not going to be running anything on there. Alright, so the long bolt and the long space is going to go on this side. Don't be lazy. Get the right tool for the right job. See? Don't be lazy. Fine, I'll get the whole set out. So the fuel pressure regulator is going to go like that, which means this adapter is going to go there. This is going to be a return line, and this other side is going to get this plug. So first thing is I'm going to mount this on the fuel rail. In. Now we're just going to throw that on there like that, and that's in. I just don't like how that sits, but that's how it's supposed to go. Alright, so the next thing is fuel pressure gauge. I was gonna have this mounted on here, but after talking to Radium, they said it needs to be on the feed line. So what I got for this is an inline, is 8 AN, and it's gonna go in there, and it's gonna go somewhere in the feed line. I'm not sure where exactly I'm gonna put this, but that's how it's supposed to go. And that's the wrong fitting. That was not supposed to go there. This needs to be an ORB fitting, which is here somewhere. There we go. Don't fall. Stay there. So that will go there. Then I think I'm going to do a 90. And somewhere in there, I will put this. Whoa, look at that debris in there. Wow. Wow. I don't know if you can see that in there. Yeah, you can see that. Unbelievable. I'm glad I saw that. If I didn't see that, that'd be in my injector right now. That pisses me off. So I'm gonna call it a day here. Just got the fuel rail done. I need to get some more dash 6 AN fitting here to the return steel line. That should be about it. But other than that, just gotta throw the intake manifold back on it. This thing should be ready to go in. And the baby Garrett here, waiting to make some boost. Should be happening here in the next week or so. Stay tuned for more. If you like, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.